Hello guys, in this video we are going to create our very first DAG. So we are going to do it practically first and later on we will understand its theoretical concepts as well. So for now it's just a basic Hello World tag, so don't worry and don't fear that you don't understand what is DAG and what are tasks and other stuff, and you just need to follow along this tutorial and we will understand it deeply later on. So as we write DAGs in Python, so for that we need an editor and we are using Visual Studio Code for it. So download it for Windows as we are using Windows, and once it's installed you can go to your terminal, activate your environment that we created in the last few videos, and then we move to this Airflow folder where we can see the list of files and folders. Now if we want to open all of these in the Visual Studio Code, then we type code space dot, then press enter. It should open all these files in Visual Studio Code for us. Now there is a DAGs folder that we created in the last few videos. Now we are going to create our first DAG. Let's say basic underscore dag.py. Now let's import all the modules from Airflow. Import DAG from Airflow dot operators dot bash operator. Don't worry, what are these, we will understand later on. First of all, we're just making our hands dirty, so just we know how things work. Import bash operator. Now from datetime, import datetime. For Airflow related things, it might give you errors as it is installed in Ubuntu, so don't worry, but it will work fine. Into git dag Airflow dag. Okay, this is the DAG name that we are keeping for our first DAG. You can do any. We create default underscore arguments and it will be a dictionary, and like we can pass its default args equals to default arguments, and we can give our owner name, owner data cubics, or we can give, let's say, schedule interval once. Don't worry what is this task or DAG, we will understand later on. Now bash operator, task ID is the first thing that we pass in it. Okay, hello underscore task. This is the task name or ID. Then we pass the bash command that we want to run. Command, we can pass echo and hello world dag. Okay, now save it and run it on Airflow. We can run Airflow with Airflow standalone as well. It will trigger both web server and the scheduler as well. So it will be only just one command and it will do both the tasks for us. Now once it runs, okay, now we can check it here. Okay, here is our ETL bit. This here it is. Here it is. We can run it with this uh, play icon. As the default database for Airflow is SQLite, which makes it very slow. So that's why you might face all these loading issues. We will switch it to MySQL later on in the next few videos. Okay, now it's working and it's in the active list. Let's go to it and check our task. Okay, we can check its graph view. Hello task. Okay, you can see the task has done successfully, and it has echoed for us Hello World Dag. So this is it for this video. Later on we are going to deep dive into Airflow DAGs and all the concepts. So this is it for this video, as we decided to do the basic DAG in this video. So thank you and stay tuned.